space, Angelus Captain. This system, Nefilim 317, was Viron research colony before Imperia's attack.
Bad news, boss. I just found a mess of imps on the surface. From the looks of them, I'd say they're mostly tech staff.
Damn it. How in hell did they get here before us? We've got to assume they know we're coming. I don't want to land right next to the Astrid and have every bloody Terran on the planet closing around us.
There's a region to the south that looks good for a first landing. Only light resistance.
Okay, we'll go in, clear the area, and set up a base of operations. We'll bring down the activation key when we've got control of the area. I want to take it to the Astrid by land. It'll be easier to defend that way. Let's move, people.
Angelus Captain, make certain forces lubricate equipment. Sandstorms on Nephilim, stuff of legend.
Organic tech or not, this sandstorm is gonna screw with our systems. We won't be able to use any air units or assault pods. Glad I brought along my gun grease.
Yes, Commander. As you command. Yes, understood. Orders received. Yes. Orders received. We will do. Affirmative. As you command. They're getting stronger. Yes. Orders received. Affirmative. Affirmative. As you command. Assaulting. Affirmative. Affirmative. I can see new enemies. Enemy removed. Enemy removed. Enemy removed. Yes, Commander. On point. On point. On point. Yes, Commander. One less enemy. Yes, Commander. Affirmative. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes, Commander. One less enemy.
The area is secure. We can bring down the activation key.
Dropship to Angelus, Captain. Assaulting. Activation key aboard. In their line of fire. Atmosphere. Yes. Angelus, Captain. Clan ship is under attack. We showed Imperial cruiser in orbit. Taking fire. Imperator is here. Is launching craft. Dropship is hit. Angelus, Captain. The dropship has crashed.
I got the coordinates. We better get over there. Scanners indicate movement near the dropship. We better hurry.
Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Returning to clan ship. As you command. As you command. Yes. Yes. Dropship at base. Yes. Assaulting. As you command. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Assaulting. Orders received. Orders received. Assaulting. Vector achieved. Entering atmosphere. Yes. 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 Affirmative. Dropship reporting. Consider it done. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Affirmative.
This place is crawling with imps all of a sudden. I'm getting one of those feelings.
Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Acknowledged. Yes, Commander. Consider it done. Consider it done. I see
Captain
the enemy.
Angelus, Imperative Lana Asleya demands that you abandon these futile efforts to retrieve what you have clearly lost. You will never escape the divine wrath of the Imperator.
Deacons, hell, not you again. Tell your Imperator that if she has something to say to me, she can tell me in person instead of sending lackeys.
Assaulting. As you command. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Assaulting. Orders received. As you command. Yes. Affirmative. Orders received. Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. We've lost the victory location. We will do. Orders received. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. Assaulting. We will do. Their weapons hurt. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Arsa. Caught in crossfire. Glorious victory awaits. Assaulting. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Yes. Caught in crossfire. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. We're in. Orders confirmed. Yes. We're in their line of fire. Sir, caught in crossfire. Yes, enemy killed. Their weapons hurt. Caught in crossfire. Yes, Commander. We will do. We're under attack. Enemy removed. Assaulting. Yes. No enemies. Their weapons hurt. Glorious victory awaits. Orders received. Yes, Commander. Yes. Look, enemies. More enemies. Assaulting. One less enemy. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes. More enemies. Orders confirmed. We've captured a victory location. Yes. As you command. Yes. Orders received. Yes. We head for battle. Reinforcements deployed. Dropship reporting. Incoming enemies. Acknowledged. Acknowledged. Incoming enemies. Consider it done. Yes, Commander. Consider it done. Bad enemy. Yes. Assaulting. Yes. Orders received. Orders received. Yes. Affirmative. Yes. Orders confirmed. Dropship at base. More enemies. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Bad enemies. No enemies. We're under attack. Orders confirmed. As you command. Affirmative. Caught in crossfire. We destroy good. Yes. We will do. We will do. On point. We're pinned. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. More enemies. We will do. We destroy good. Orders confirmed. Yes, he is dead. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Affirmative. Orders confirmed. Yes. They're getting stronger. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes. New enemies approaching. Yes. Affirmative. They're getting stronger. Yes. Assaulting. Assaulting. More enemies. Orders received. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Yes. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders received. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders received. We will do. Assaulting. Yes. 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 Assaulting. 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 Yes. Orders received. Orders received. Yes. Affirmative. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes. Orders received. Orders received. Assaulting. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. Yes. Orders confirmed. They're getting stronger. Orders received. Assaulting. Yes. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Look, enemies. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Bad enemies. Affirmative. Yes. Yes. Orders confirmed. Affirmative. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes. Bad enemies. Affirmative. Assaulting. Assaulting. New enemies approaching. Assaulting. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Orders Orders confirmed. Yes. Orders confirmed. Assaulting. Look, enemies. We're under attack. Glorious victory awaits. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're under attack. Glorious victory awaits. We're dead. We're under attack. Caught in crossfire. We're under attack. Yes. Yes. For enemies. Yes, he's dead. Assaulting. We destroy good. Orders confirmed. Orders confirmed. Yes.
Damn it, we're too late. Lana's goons have already been here.
Orders confirmed.
They're long gone,
Orders
too.
confirmed.
There was no way we could have gotten here first.
What's up?
She must have had this planned all along.
Can we track her?
Fire.
Captain Angelus, I can tell you where to find the activation key.
We
To the
destroy good.
Astrid.
No enemies.
Deacons, help! Cesaris, you bastard! I thought I killed you. Very nearly, Angelus. As you can plainly see. Tell me what you want before I put another hole in your head. Know this, NSA filth. What I am about to tell you, I do for the sake of my family and the survival of the human race. Nothing else. You must not activate the Singularity Drive near Nefilim, or any other planet with Xenofax on the surface. What are you talking about, Terran? Fool! Do you even know why the Emperor is uniting mankind? He wants to rule the entire galaxy. But he knows that there is an ancient race of aliens lying dormant. The Elder race. Viron prophecy tells they will invade our galaxy when 2 signals have been sent and the key has been activated. The first signal was sent 300 years ago from the planet Krieg 7b. The second will be sent from Nephilim. The Emperor is mad. So is Vlana. They believe the Elder race can be beaten. But they cannot. All life will be extinguished. I will have no more part in their schemes. What about the activation key? I'm sending you its coordinates. Take the Astrid back to your planet and flee like the pathetic wretches you are. My life is forfeit. But think what an ironic debt history will owe me if you succeed.